So over here you can see that I got some text right here on the layout, and let's say what I want to do is I want to add some areas where I want to add in pictures, but I don't know what pictures to keep yet. In that case, what you can actually do is utilize something called picture frames. So to do that, under the layout section, you can see that picture frame is an option. Go ahead and click, and then what you can do is you can click and drag it out right here, just like this, and then a picture frame is here. You can go ahead and do the same right here, just like this as well, and then adjust it out as you want by clicking and dragging until it snaps into place right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also change around the corner by going around over here onto rounded, and then you can click and drag this out. You can even go ahead and straight and so forth, and then change out the size as you want. Apart from that, what you can also do is, let's say for example, get an oval picture frame right here, just like this, and then you can convert this to donut right here and change the parameters or convert this into pi as well and work around with it. But let me just go ahead and keep it to circular shape itself right here. So now when you decide what picture you want to keep, you can simply go ahead and click right here, and then you can replace out the image. And then from over here, you can select out an image, click on open, and the picture will be there. And you can see that you can drag around the picture right here within the frame. You can resize this out as well. So let's just go around over here. You can see that this is the picture frame. Double click on it to select out the picture, click and drag it, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So let me just go to the selection right here and then resize this out, and this is what you have. Apart from that, you can select it, click on replace image, and then you can go ahead and select out another image as you want. Go around over here, and then you can select another image as you want right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and use out picture frames as you like inside of Affinity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.